Good afternoon, class 5th students. Yesterday we had finished here. Now we will start reading the next paragraph. His wife and children were very pleased when they heard this and asked the tortoise to get food at once as they were all hungry. So, his family, the tortoise family, became very happy when they came to know about the drum, and so they asked the tortoise to get food as they were hungry. This the tortoise was only too pleased to do, as he wished to show off his newly acquired wealth and was also rather hungry himself. The tortoise was also very happy to show off his wealth and was hungry too. So he beat the drum in the same way as he had seen the king do when he wanted something to eat, and immediately plenty of food appeared. So he started beating the drum in the same way as he saw the king, and soon he got lots of food and drinks in front of him. So they all sat down and made a great feast. They all sat down and they enjoyed the feast. The tortoise did this for 3 days, and everything went well. All his children got fat and had as much as they could possibly eat. He did this for next 3 days, and his children become fatty as they have lots of food to eat. He was therefore very proud of his drum, and in order to display his riches, he sent invitations to the king and all the people and animals to come to the feast. Now, the tortoise was feeling very proud on his drum. Now, to show his riches, he invited many people and animals on the feast. When the people received their invitations, they laughed as they knew the tortoise was very poor. He invited all the animals and the many people, but they all were laughing after getting the invitations because they knew that the tortoise is very poor. So very few attended the feast, but amongst them only few came to the feast. But the king, knowing about the drum, came, and when the tortoise beat the drum, the food was brought as usual in great profusion. Repeat this word, profusion. Profusion means a large quantity of something. And all the people sat down and enjoyed their meal very much. So, but there was the only person who know everything. That was the king. The king know all about the drum, so he came. Now, as the tortoise beat the drum, food in a very huge amount came over there. They all sat down and enjoyed the meal. They were much astonished. Repeat this word, astonished. It means to surprised that the poor tortoise should be able to entertain. Repeat this word, entertain. Entertain means to enjoy so many people, and told all their friends what fine dishes had been placed before them and that they had never had a better dinner. Everyone was very surprised who attended that feast, that how poor tortoise entertained to many people as he was so poor, and they told their friends about the feast. The people who had not gone to the dinner were very sorry when they heard this, as a good feast at somebody else's expense is not provided every day. Now, the people started feeling very bad. The people who did not attend the feast started feeling very bad. Now, as they thought that they will never get such a feast every day. After the feast, all the people looked upon the tortoise as one of the richest men in the kingdom. After that feast, people looked tortoise as one of the richest men in the kingdom. And he was very much respected in consequence. As a result, they gave respect to the tortoise. No one except the king could understand how the poor tortoise could suddenly entertain so lavishly. Repeat this word, lavishly. It means in a rich manner or in a luxurious manner. But they all made up their minds, and if the tortoise ever gave another feast, they would not refuse again. So the people was not aware about the drum. They don't know anything about that magic drum. There was only one person who knows everything. That was the king. So only king knew that how a poor tortoise suddenly started giving the feast in a luxurious manner to all the people. Now, the people who do not attend the feast set their mind that if the tortoise give another feast, they will not going to refuse it again. When the tortoise had been in possession, repeat this word, possession, it means the state of having, of the drum for a few weeks, he became lazy and did no work, but went about the country boasting of his riches. One day he started home carrying his drum. He did not notice a stick in the path. So the tortoise was very happy as he thought, now I had a magic drum and his life became very successful. But later on, he started feeling lazy. He stopped working hard. And one day, when he was going to the forest, he crossed over or climbed a stake which was lying there in the path. He walked over the stake, and of course the zuzu, repeat this word, zuzu. Zuzu means spell, the magic, was broken at once. But he did not know as nothing happened at the time, and eventually, repeat this word, eventually, it means finally he arrived at his house very tired. Now, as he climbed over the stake that was lying there in the path, and soon as he climbed over that stake, the magic spell was broken. The magic spell broke. Now after that, he arrived to his house as he was feeling very tired. He threw the drum into a corner and went to sleep. After reaching to the house, he threw that drum into the corner and went to the sleep. When he woke up in the morning, the tortoise began to feel hungry, and his wife and children were calling out for food. He beat the drum, but instead of food being brought, the house was filled with Igbo man who beat the tortoise, his wife and children badly. At this, the tortoise was very angry and said to himself. Now, when he threw the drum into the corner, went to sleep. Now, when he woke up on the next day in the morning, he was feeling very hungry, and his family too. His family called for food. And then he started beating the drum. Now, when he started beating the drum, instead of the food, his house got filled with Igbo man. The Igbo man came and they started beating the tortoise and his wife and his children also. They started beating them very badly. After seeing this, the tortoise became very upset and he said to himself, what he said? I asked everyone to a feast, but only a few came, and they had plenty to eat and drink. Now, when I want food for myself and my family, the Igbos come and beat me. Well, I will let the other people share the same fat. Fat means something unfortunate thing. As I do not see why I and my family should be beaten when I have given a feast to all people. Now he said to himself that he gave everybody food and drink, but nobody came. Now, when he want food for himself and his family, the Igbos came and they start beating them. He was very upset and finally he said he will give this unfortunate thing or drum to somebody else because he should be why he should be beaten and his family when he gave the feast to all the people. So students, the moral of the story is, if you are greedy like the tortoise was greedy for magic drum, you will lose everything in the end. Whatever you gained, be happy with everything that you have. I hope you have understood the story. Read it once again. Thank you.